Typhoon Uwan hit the Philippines. Left a lot of damage for the farmer, like this one, may calamansi. Okay, minimal. I think there are 3 trees and the mango. Okay, it's a lot of work to be done left by Typhoon Uwan. Even my one calamansi tree there, there's one. Oh, my mango is already collapsed. Okay, and oh, my malunggay still surviving, I think. And I have one tree here of calamansi. It had been devastated. Okay, so hope it will still alive. Lot of fruits, flowers. Okay, and Typhoon Uwan is very strong. Last night it was started 6 p.m. in the evening. 6 p.m. evening na. Okay, and it lasts 3 a.m. in the morning. So very strong winds. I think we hit the close to the eye, or we are in the black area of the typhoon. Okay, a lot of trees, even my greenhouse and my eggplant seedlings partially damaged. I don't know if the remaining will survive, and my customer already reserved that. I don't know. And my pepper, they are tumbling. I don't know also if they will survive. Let us see after few days, 3 to 5 days. Okay, some branches of my calamansi had been detached. Okay, but you know, calamansi is one of the good source of income when it comes to continuous inducing flower and bearing fruits. Now the price of calamansi was reached 2,200 per red bag. Red bag is at around 30 kilos. So we have a lot of fruits now, our calamansi. Hopefully it will reach the high price especially this after this typhoon, this super typhoon. Okay, and I hope that all of my kabayans are okay, especially here in the central Luzon, northern Luzon, wherever you are in Luzon, even in the some part of Visayas, this typhoon Uwan, and perhaps our kabayan in Cebu, they did not yet still recover from the past typhoon. Now again, typhoon Uwan hit the central Pangasinan, central Luzon, Pangasinan, Aurora, and even in Bicol region. Perhaps a lot of damage. And this is our string beans. Okay, so hopefully our plants will survive. Let us see after 3 to 5 days, especially our pepper. Our onions is doing great. Okay, a lot of the germination of our seeds is quite good. Okay, and this is one of my calamansi. I have pruned lately here, and there's some gap in the middle, so this is the negative side if you prune in the middle. However, when I prune this one in the middle, it's a good shape, circle, and it looks good. However, the branch, I don't know why this happened. Okay, so we will collect this and we will do some our sausawan. We'll grill liempo, and we have cucumber, pipino, then onions, and pepper, and of course sukang Iloko, and a lot of chili. Wow. Okay, so now our calamansi is bearing inducing a lot of flower. Hopefully this will become a good fruit, not affected by this strong typhoon, strong winds caused by Uwan. I think Uwan they will not include in the next name of typhoon here in the Philippines. Very strong. And we have 2 hours sleep only. Okay, so here I think 5 trees have been have some partially damage of my calamansi. However, it's not. Oh, here's one. Then also there. I don't know if how can I manage this, if this branch will still survive, or I don't know. Please teach me if I will remove it or I will keep it like that. Still some strong winds occur, and we will focus on the greenhouse to restore the UV plastic had been detached. Even though I put my some rope, oh, here some damaged branches. So approximately 10 trees here. If you see, I don't know. Oh, also here, one tree. I don't know. I will keep it like that. It's observe. Okay, and I will show you the bell pepper and the panigang. I have some experiment here. I observe how it works during this strong typhoon. I will show you some ideas that I made prior to this typhoon. So here, this is our paper, and there's a twine here. I think that works. And also here, a little slant, and I make a put twine here to not to tie the paper. I don't know if this will survive and will hit the good price. And we have the panigang here. This is our panigang, sili green. Okay, sili green. It's good for papaitan. This one. May Ilocano, Filo Ilocano. Arawat ti papaitan ka no. Okay. So here there's some sun scald will damage to the fruit of this pepper. I don't know, let us see what will happen next to these peppers. So here's my update that caused by Typhoon Uwan. A lot of damage crops left by Typhoon Uwan here in Pangasinan, Central Luzon. I don't know in our neighbor provinces like Aurora, Benguet, and La Union, Ilocos, Cagayan, Isabela, Kalinga, Apayao, Mountain Province, Ifugao. I don't know if how are they. So my fellow farmer folks, keep safe, and the most important thing is we are alive, we are safe in this devastated weather, Typhoon Uwan. Okay, so a lot of work to do, as I said. So stay tuned, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and even to my Facebook page. Okay, LG Farm. Have a nice day. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. And Still wind and rain shower. Keep safe.